this is much better. Yeah, tell me about it. Compared to the weather we've had recently, yeah, it might be bad, but it's just nice and cool. Let's say that again. Then, fellas, what's the plan for today? Well, I don't even want to do a plan. Let's just relax, shall we? Yeah, that sounds good. Hooray! I wasn't really wanting to do anything anyway. You never want to do anything at all. No, you're right.
No, this would be the perfect time to tell you all about the moons of Mars.
Oh, do tell, do tell. And to think, after 2 weeks, 2 full weeks of just pure sun and stuff, we finally get a cool day like this. Yep. Makes it 10 times easier. Hey, anyone notice that a pig just came by? No, you're probably just thinking of things. Oh, okay. I did it, guys. I did it. Managed to get the slingshot, and it didn't notice you? I knew it could be done. So now's the matter of time of we're figuring out what we do with it. Alright, guys, time to get sorted. Boss, do you have a plan? Well, it depends on your definition of plan. I have one idea. That's why Pork went and got the slingshot. Wait, he did? Yeah. Do you want me to explain? Oh, please do. Okay, so we are here. And Pork went down here, got the slingshot from here, behind the birds who are here. We take the slingshot back, and when the birds try and attack, they realize they haven't got the slingshot. So, we use the slingshot, catapult ourselves at them. We win, they lose. How does that sound, guys? Gee, that sounds amazing. Yeah, it could work. Yeah, I do believe it could work. It's flawless, isn't it? But wait. I was the one that got the slingshot, not Pork. Oh, sorry. So what I'm guessing is this is basically a role reversal, right? Exactly. It could work. I guess we try it. Go set up. Yeah, fellas. Those pigs are up to something. Shouldn't we go do something by now? Yes, we should. Alright, let's go. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's get going. Why put them so close to our area? I don't know, maybe they're thinking with their brains for once. Ha! Perhaps it's an offering of surrender. I doubt it. But my gut feeling, hide behind them. What's that in the sky? The bird. The plane. No, guys, something much worse. Surprise! Oh, no, you don't. Area 3, Stage 2, role reversal. Wee-hee! Look at the fight like birds, we must fight like pigs. Come on, my brothers! Oh no. Oh, the nest. Oh my goodness, this is how I finally die. I always knew it would come to this day. I believe I can fly. Oh, I didn't die. Now, time to make my move. Wait, no! You don't have to do this, do you? Yeah, I do. No! Ow, ow, ow. Rule number 1 of the slingshot, don't just use it rapidly. The 2 of the slingshot, always pick a target. Number 3, use your powers effectively. And then, if you followed all those steps correctly, you win. One day picks your shot to learn. Well, nothing! Yeah! Oh, so that's how that's supposed to work. Yeah! Ow! You probably only have one hit left. Yeah, probably. I'm gonna go get it. I appreciate the effort, but you did bad. Oh no! Yeah. Oh! Here he is. Yeah. No, but free is out the battle. So there he goes. Who to go get now? Oh, I know. Alright. Prize! That's what you get for cheap shot. So there's the block. And now blue number 2. So there he goes. Okay, so let's sit around that quickly. Yep. Ha. No. And now blue number 1 and Hawk are out. So there they go. That'd be good up here. Hey Red. Yeah? Laugh at me. Okay. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah. Let's get you out the way. Yeah. Hey, why did you do that? Clearly this isn't going to stop. One of us is going to go have to get the slingshot back. Any takers? Guys, stop him! Oh, okay. This isn't good. I should probably go, where do you think you're going? No! Alright, I got it. Yeah! He is out the battle. So there he goes. You know what? I'm out of it. What to do? Yeah! Oh, great! Hawkins and Little Pork out of lives, so there they go. Well, that was different. You can say that again. I enjoyed that. Better than anything in that battle. Yeah, you're right. Oh well. Well guys, let's get going. That was fun. Alright. You know, sitting up here has really made me think a lot about life. How I'm glad I wasn't just destroyed by the birds. But it was worth a shot at least. I wonder what next time I will just aim to show its head. Seriously, they're out that quickly? Yep. Oh.